Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to add or update your billing methods. Now, we can do this in several ways. Basically, first of all, click on the Uber app. After opening the Uber app, click on the accounts option, which is located in the right bottom corner of the screen. Okay, after this, your basic details will appear like your name, rating, settings, messages, shuttle package, business serve, etc. Here you need to click on the wallet option. After clicking on the wallet option, here you can see various types of payment methods that you can use related from promotions, voucher, business, personal payment methods. Now, if you want to update your billing method, click on any of these. You have several options like PayPal, gift card, credit card, or debit card, or Amazon Pay. If you want to add through debit card, click on the debit card option, enter your details, fill this, and it will be verified. If you want to do it by gift card, enter your gift number and it will happen automatically. If you want to link your Amazon Pay, then click on Amazon Pay. It will take you to a website and it will ask you to sign in. All these websites can be used to update your billing address. Now head back. After that, you can book a cab where you want to go, or now from here you can use your new payment method or card or debit cards which are available. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Hope you like the video.